So now using the same approach, let's try to combine multiple jobs and let's see what happens. So let's not touch it. Let's create a new directory here. Let's name it as combining multiple jobs. And inside this, let's copy this first. And let's copy one more time. Let's name it as job 2. And let's name this as job 1. So I will just change the name of it to job 1. So now I have two separate files here, job1.groovy and job2.groovy. Inside this, let's change the name also. So let's say this is job-1 and let's say this is job-2. Cool. And let's try to commit this. So I'm directly pushing my changes to main branch. You can create a feature branch and create a merge request and then get it reviewed as well. But for this video, I'm just keeping it simple. I'm directly pushing my changes to main branch. Now let's change this only. So I'm changing my seed job. Earlier I was using my Groovy script from simple job folder, but now let's try to use it from a different folder which I just created. So my folder name was combining multiple jobs. So you can see from the help section here, let's say if my directory has multiple scripts, then I can give some wildcard name like this. So I only have multiple Groovy scripts here. So let's name it as start.groovy. Right. So this way it will search for all the files ending with .groovy inside this directory, and then it will just process it. Let's do one more thing. Let's add poll SCM option also. So let's say I don't have to trigger my job again and again. It will automatically trigger everything. So let's add a cron definition here, star.star.star. 5 times. Yeah, so this will ensure it will check every time if there are any changes in my Git repository, it will automatically trigger. Now I don't have to trigger this job again and again. I just have to do my changes in my Git repository. This will get triggered automatically the moment there are any changes in the Git. And see, this got triggered now. Let's see the logs. So again, it says like generated 2 items, and this is an unreferenced item because I'm not checking the previous Groovy script now, and it has generated 2 separate jobs for me. The configuration of these jobs are defined here. So job 1 and job 2 got created. Let's see the dashboard now here. So my 2 new jobs got created.